unboxing the Cooluli mini fridge in the size 10 liters. It is not just a cooler unit but also a warmer unit, and use it to whatever purposes you'd like to. In my way, I will be using it for skincare purposes, but that is totally up to you. You can hold drinks, snacks in there, whatever you desire to. I believe they sell on Amazon and they also have their own website. So let's get started!
Missing someone, with all your missing someone, with how much you miss it, and you deserve. From the start, and you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. With all your missing someone. Missing someone. I am sad and so low.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think. I know that right now we're in quarantine times and things can be hard and even get even harder. But I hope you found this interesting and entertaining to where you don't worry as much. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!